He was telling me all about how he had doubled the practice in the first year, and he decided, well, let's give this another shot. So he doubled the practice in the second year, and now he's just signed up for a third year. I was at a Parker seminar, and this was a few years ago, and this young, bright guy comes up, and, we were talking, and, he was basically telling me that because he had a very specialized technology, and because what he did was different than what most other chiropractors or offices or whatever do, that he really didn't see how he was going to scale or how he's going to get much bigger than where he was at. But what I really saw was such a passion in helping people, and that he was so confident in what he did. And so, I had said that we help a lot of doctors, and that we help guys that are doing different things like that. And that why don't we talk about it? Why don't we see what we could do with it? That was kind of the beginning of where we came about with that.
Yeah, it took a lot of trust for him to take the step to sign up with us.
It did.
Yeah.
And it was something that we just kind of, guided through in order to get to that point. But I mean, when I saw him just recently, and he was telling me all about how he had doubled the practice in the first year, and he decided, well, let's give this another shot. So he doubled the practice in the second year, and now he's just signed up for a third year.
Yeah.
That's huge.
It's huge. Yeah, he went through a lot of changes, and I know because of the way his practice was and the way that he signed people up, not wanting to do care plans at the beginning, we had to teach him a lot of stuff about the systems of operation. We helped him track his statistics. We helped him put in formulas to apply when his statistics are going up or down. And the thing about him is he was so reaching, like he really wanted to help. He had such a huge help button. He wanted to help his society, and his technique is phenomenal, and it's created huge change for patients. So it was such a pleasure working with someone like that, which most of our clients are like that. I mean, that's why we work with healthcare professionals and natural healthcare providers. I mean, it's amazing. I actually have spent a lot of time with him, helping him get through more training with the program, and he has such huge wins. Putting in the basic systems of organization, of stats, and management gave him a different perspective that you don't learn at school.
Right. And we talk about, because practices are so diverse and treatments are so diverse, we can gauge increases. The one thing that kind of goes across that is the amount of money that comes in.
Yeah.
Right? I mean, obviously some people are doing more visits, some people are doing higher amounts of care plans, there's whatever. But ultimately, if you're bringing more money in, you're employing more people, you're changing more lives, you're doing those different things. And it's not that doctors are coming into this and they're all about, well, I want to make a lot of money. I mean, that's not why they went to chiropractic school or nurse practitioner school or even med school. It wasn't like, well, this is the fastest path to being a millionaire. But that passion to help, and then we look at that and we go, well, those numbers keep going up, just means you've brought that many more people on. And you can bring in more people, you can hire more staff, you can get that much more going with it, which really changes lives there.
Yeah, and he finally has a team. He was by himself, but now he has a team. They're all producing more. And the best thing of all is they're seeing a lot more patients than they ever did. He's helping more people than he ever has. And you mentioned his buddy that lives near him is like so impressed with how much we were able to help him. And so now he's interested in working with us.
Well, his friend signed up.
And he signed up. That's right.
Yeah.